Richards and McDonald's. How can I help you?
I'm gonna need 100 of your chicken nuggets.
100 chicken nuggets?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh shit. What's up, YouTubers? My name is Train. Cut. What's up, YouTubers? My name is Thomas the Aesthetic Train, and you know what? We could just go with Train Aesthetic. My name is Train Aesthetic, guys, and right here we have 100 chicken nuggets, and we're gonna try and finish it in 10 minutes, guys. So yeah, let's get things rolling, huh? Okay, let's just go straight with this. I'm gonna open all these sauces, and if you think that I am cheating by doing that, then let me explain to you. You want me to open this up while doing this in 10 minutes? Are you crazy? I'm gonna open all these first. If you guys haven't seen my previous aesthetic versus food video, right? Did I say that this is even an aesthetic versus food video in this video yet? I think I did. Anyways, what the hell was I talking about? So if you haven't seen my previous episode, which is Cheesecake Factories, I ate 8 cheesecake from Cheesecake Factory, my very first time trying them. Why is this so hard? It was my first time trying them, right? And I did not know that in total they had 11,000 calories. But yeah, anyways, let's get back on this video. We are gonna begin this challenge, and if you've seen my channel for a while, you know that before we do anything, that we have to do the aesthetic ritual, simply because we cannot be aesthetics versus food if we are not aesthetics ourselves. Now we're ready to eat. So I freaking forgot McDonald's drink too, so I gotta get water. Sucks. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Pretty good. Come on. Alright, we gotta go. It's so hard, guys. I'm only filming it. I'm filming it. I can't swallow it. Holy shit! You got cocked up. What happened? We have to thank you guys on aesthetics and go aesthetic mode. Oh my god. You guys, this is incredibly hard. Holy shit. Oh crap. Why the f am I full? No, I'm not. You guys, was I really thinking I was gonna be able to do this shit in 10 minutes, dude? I'm so freaking dumb. I thought that this was gonna be hella easy. Like, I thought these nuggets were gonna go down fast. Like, just calm. Oh no. Oh. And boom. We're 10 minutes in. Oh no. Dude, guys, I'm pathetic. So in 10 minutes, I finished 4 boxes of the 10. That's 40. Plus, I have 7 nuggets in here. So it's 10 minus 7, that's 3. I only finished 43 nuggets in 10 minutes. I don't even know what I was thinking. It is getting cold. My freaking mom's out there doing her grind with her chicken stuff. You know, I was just so stressed out earlier 5 minutes, during the food challenge, because I was trying so bad just to get these nuggets in. But now, like, I never got the time to admire these nuggets yet. Like, well, yeah, I gotta show you guys something. So, today is actually Friday the 25th of January, right? I'm actually filming this video along with my fast food in 24 hours after the video. So I have to show you guys a date just to, be, to somewhere, get one nugget and think. What was that word again? To have proof. To have proof. It's crazy. I don't think you can see it. Let me see. Yeah, that's crazy. Hey, you can't see anything. Today is January 25th. Same day as my my fast food challenge. Where the hell were we? Full screen that shit. I'm not gonna lie. I moved the angle a little bit. And wow, this angle looks pretty damn good. This might be my permanent, I don't know, kind of slant it. Oh, cool. I bought this HD web camera, right? I never used it. I don't know, I was like, maybe I might need it one day. I just never used it. So basically, I had this planned up. And then I'm actually working on another video simultaneously right now. How my body reacts to fast food after eating 24 hours of fast food eating only, in a day. And yeah, I'm trying to aim for 10,000 calories right now. So I don't know, I think this is already almost like 5,000 calories maybe. Yeah, today's gonna be a busy day. I'm just eating. I freaking forgot my McDonald's drink, man. My Diet Coke or Coke for $1. Box only. This is really fucking hard. I don't want to eat this, but we have to eat this. down. I'm gonna be right back. I'm so fat right now. I just gotta finish this, man. There's just 3 more, guys. Just 1 freaking more nugget. So that's my mom.
No.
我不想你找 internet shy. And my mom doesn't know I'm doing this because she's like a real OG, so you know what I mean, dude? Like, she's that old. I'm the youngest one, guys. I'm telling you, I'm the youngest one. I'm really freaking young. She barely speaks any English, so. Aesthetics still win, even though I didn't finish it under 10 minutes. I finished under an hour. If you guys are still watching the how my body reacts in 24 hours, but you happen to click on this video, but now you want to go back to that one, check the link down below. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning in for this episode of Aesthetic vs. Food. And I absolutely killed it. That was just so easy. I could have easily done it under 10 minutes. I just wanted to enjoy them, you know what I mean? But if you do like my content and you want to see more of this, then right there, down below, there's a subscribe button. All you have to do is click it, turn on the bell. You can never miss out on Aesthetic content. I'm out.